Why
My
did you let
that-
the dogs out?
That
Who
was
let
a
the dogs out?
domestic, no,
Problem is 341.
no, it is a
Dog has
false.
not let the complainant move anywhere.
Secure the wound certificate, my lord, in this.
Dog ಇಂದ wound ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ಯಾಚ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ಬೈದು ನಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What
Serial
similar
number-
matter? Why did you let the dog?
My lord,
Dog.
my lord,
ನಾಯಿನ ಯಾಕೆ ಚೂ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ?
my
ಅದು
lord,
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
uh,
Why
my
did you let
that-
the dogs out?
that
Who
was
let
a
the dogs out?
domestic dog, my lord.
Huh?
That was a domestic dog. It was tied.
Domestic dog.
It was tied. But my lord, the reason for the arisal of this complaint was that, my lord,
So the complaint is who
petitioners-
let the dogs out and you have let the dogs out.
no,
Problem is 341.
no, it is a
Dog has
false-
not let the complainant move anywhere.
No, my lord, it was a false complaint since
False.
the
Dog is false or complaint is false?
complainants are none other than the sister of the petitioner.
Correct,
number
madam.
one.
ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಾಯಿ ಚೂ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾಯಿ ಅವ್ರು ಸಾಕಿರೋ ನಾಯಿ ಅದು ಕಟ್ಟಿ
ಅದೇನ್ ಕಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಸಿನ್ಸ್
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು why did you let the dog to take care of the problem?
no, it is a false, it was just standing as per the
ನಾಯಿ ಚೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎದುರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಲಿಗೇಶನ್.
but nowhere in
And
the
341 clearly attacked. ನಾಯಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಮೂವೇ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
all this has arising due to the civil disputes and it is a false complaint.
Yes, comment.
Please, my lord. Secure the wound certificate, my lord, in this.
Dog ಇಂದ wound ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
326 ಇದೆ.
326 dog bite.
No, there is no provision offense under 326.
326 usage of dangerous weapon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಡಾಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
It's only 341, 504 and 506.
Get the investigation papers, my lord, in this matter.
In fact, we even filed a discharge application, my lord, that came to be dismissed on the ground
ಯಾವ
that in a
321
summons
ಫೈಲ್
case.
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? 341 504 506 ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ಯಾಚ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ಬೈದು ನಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And no material is collected by the investigation, my lord,
Dog.
to show that,
What no material?
except the statement of witnesses, that is only the complainants, nothing is forthcoming.
Yes. Complainant is your sister.
Yes, sister of petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 is the
The
wife. of
petitioners are accused 1 and 2. The complainant is said to be the sister of petitioner number 1, who is in squabble with the petitioners with regard to property and is said to have come to the house of the first petitioners to making certain demands. While the petitioner was ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Anyway, get the investigation papers, we'll see.
In
Day
the-
after tomorrow in the fresh matters list. Let the papers come.
Okay.